Hello, question 24. As shown in the diagram, switch SW closed at time t equal to 0 second. Find time constant t of the given circuit. Also find current ILT through the inductor at time t equal to t seconds. Solution. Use here Thevenin's theorem. Time constant equal to L upon R equal to 5 divided by 2 plus 3, this equal to 5 upon 5, this equal to 1 second. So time constant t equal to 1 second. Steady state current Is equal to 2 upon 5, this equal to 0.4 ampere. Now current ILT at time t equal to t time constant. Input here Is equal to 0.4 ampere in the formula. ILT equal to Is 1 minus e raised to power minus t upon time constant t. After putting the value of time constant and current Is steady state, the current ILT at time t equal to t equal to 0.4 multiplied by 0.632, this equal to 0.2528 ampere. Okay, thank you.